Okay, dear students, question number 10. What is question? Replace star by the correct digit in each of the following. So we are taking just two examples, A part and D part from your book. So in this part, here is 9 and here is 4. So we have to subtract. So 9 minus 4. So what will come here? 5. Okay, so in the next star, what will come? Here is 3. So what will we deduct from 8? So answer will be 3. So I think it's 5. If we deduct 8 from 5 from 8, so answer will be 3. Okay, now next. 6 minus 2, 4. Again, what digit we deduct from 3? So answer will be 4. Think. It's 1. Okay, so now next part. This is also the sum of subtraction. So what will come here at the place of this star? So from which digit we will subtract 6? So answer will be 5. 11, or here come 1. So if we will take carry here, so this one will be 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, got my point? So this 8 now will be 7. So 7, what digit we will deduct from 8? Not 8, 7. Mind this thing, it's not now 8, it is 7. So 7 minus what? So answer will be 4. 7 minus 3. So answer will be 4. So now what digit will come here at the place of this star? So answer will be 3. So there is another method too. If we will add this 9 and 3, so answer is 12. So what digit will come here? 2. Why 2? Because 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 will come here, and if we will take a carry here, this 2 will be 12. Now here, now it's not 7. We will consider here 6 because we just took a carry here. So 6 minus 4, 2. This is little difficult, but if you will practice it 1 or 2 times, then it will be easy for you. Okay.